Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Empower on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First of all, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you are on, and simply go ahead and go into the search and search for Empower, just like that. Once you've done that, there it's going to be the second application right over here. As you can see, it's the number 29 in finance. Go ahead and tap on that and simply go ahead and click on the download icon, and once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and download and install onto your device. It depends on your internet how quick it's going to go ahead and download, so just wait patiently and it should be downloaded and installed onto your device pretty quickly. Once it has downloaded, all you need to do is tap on open, and there you go. Now you can simply go ahead and log in or sign up into your account. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.